Well, we hate to talk about it, but guess what? We're almost at the end of the year. We're actually in our third quarter. And one of the things that I really want to talk about right now, because it seems to be something that is on the top of other people's minds, is preparing for tax season. Okay, I know that is already coming up into next year. However, there are certain key things that you can do to save money on your taxes and have it be that it actually benefits you, not necessarily Uncle Sam. The reason I'm bringing this up is I've actually had 3 different conversations with 3 separate people about tax strategies. Now, I have to tell you, I'm not a tax preparer, but I am going to tell you that I have learned a heck of a lot about taxes and how to save and shelter my money because of the hard knocks of just life. Couple things I want to encourage you to consider. First of all, right now is a perfect time to be meeting with that tax preparer or your CPA or your bookkeeper. Everything that you do right now can definitely put forward the proper steps to prepare you for even into next year. Understand, you don't necessarily have to fund certain things, you just have to have the certain things set up. As an example, let's just say that you don't have a retirement account set up. If you set up a retirement account this year, then you can actually fund that retirement account into next year. Again, you've got to talk to your tax preparer and your CPA about that, but what a lot of people think is that, oh my word, if I don't have it all right now, then I can't do it. That's not the case. The next thing also happens to do, if you're in a position to where you don't qualify for some of the assisted health savings accounts, you can actually create your own health savings account. I know I've touched on this before, but the thing that's important about that is that it is actually a dedicated health savings account. I had somebody that set up their own savings account, but there are certain requirements that are necessary for that to happen. So if you need some guidance on that, reach out to me and I'll be happy to forward that information to you as well. But remember too, that again, you don't have to fully fund it, you just have to have it in place. The other thing too is that if this economy has really drastically impacted some of the things that you're doing, maybe you want to set up a Roth rather than necessarily a traditional 401k or IRA. Roths are taxed in a completely different way and there are certain benefits to it. As a matter of fact, my son, when we were actually having him in college, we set up a Roth for him, and after 5 years of not necessarily using that, we were able to use a portion of that for his down payment. There are so many different money strategies and I love this time of year. So if you'd like to set up a meeting, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. I'd love to meet with you one-on-one. Also, pass this on to family and friends. Right now is a perfect time of year to make some money management decisions so that way you can move into the next couple of years even better than you are right now. I'm called Krista, OIC Real Estate Services, helping you see your real estate dreams come true and your financial dreams. Have an amazingly blessed day. Subscribe, pass this on to family and friends, and ring that bell. Bye.